Samsung Galaxy Fold vs Z Flip. What's up guys, this is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. And today we will get into the comparison between Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Fold. In this video we will try to find out which foldable device is more suitable for you. So first we will start with design. Z Flip is much smaller physically, but when you open up it's actually become taller smartphone with 6.7-inch display, when the Galaxy Fold is 7.3-inch display. When you unfold, obviously the Fold is huge, and when you unfold the Galaxy Z Flip, it's actually taller than Galaxy Fold. So obviously it's come to the personal preference and what specifically you need. As for folding and unfolding them, one-hand ability, I can easily fold or unfold device just using one hand. Design and looks actually much similar in terms of outer look. And on screen, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip actually has ultra thin glass display, which makes more durable Z Flip compared to Galaxy Fold. On top of that, Samsung also improved the hinge mechanism. So although it looks pretty much similar, it actually has a layer of fiber in the gap which prevent from the dust getting in. Another thing about the hinge is the Galaxy Z Flip is that it's flexible hinge, so you can kind of have it open halfway if you want. This is something you cannot do on Galaxy Fold. On the other side, in the Galaxy Fold outside display we have 4.6-inch display. Has a resolution 1680 by 720. This display actually fully usable. As a regular phone, might be it's a little bit smaller compared to what we are using, but it's fully useful. And outside Fold, which is clearly advantage. Over on the Galaxy Z Flip, outside we have small display, 1.1-inch display. So you are not getting a whole ton of usability. Just like a notification and ability to answer the call, you can open a camera, smaller things like that. Move on to specification. Galaxy Fold have Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage, and no microSD card slot. Battery 4380 milliamperes. And when it comes to the specification of Galaxy Z Flip, we have a Snapdragon 855 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. And just like a Fold, there is no microSD card, and the battery 3300 milliampere. If we talk about the weight, of course the Galaxy Fold is largest device and it's almost 100 gram heavier than Z Flip. Galaxy Fold have is 276 gram and Z Flip is 183 gram. Now let's talk about the camera. So Samsung Galaxy Fold actually has 6 cameras and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip has 3 cameras. Samsung Fold primary lens is 12 megapixel, ultra wide 16 megapixel and telephoto 12 megapixel. Primary camera comes with the 2 aperture f1.5 and f2.4, which is variable aperture, switch between depending on the light in your scene. Z Flip primary camera 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture and ultra wide 12 megapixel. And if we will talk about the front facing camera, Galaxy Fold have actually 3 front facing camera. 10 megapixel on cover display for quick selfie, and inside the also same 10 megapixel with 8 megapixel depth camera. Z Flip front facing camera is 10 megapixel with f2.4, and that is the punch out on the screen. On both phone we have a split screen, which is a great, and honestly the both devices are fantastic device. Both devices have fast charging with wireless charging as well as wireless power share. This is reverse wireless charging. This is interesting. Samsung also include this thing in foldable devices. So let's talk about the prices. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is little bit cheaper than Galaxy Fold. Fold is around $1,800 and Z Flip is around $1,300. Both coming with a different offer also, like Samsung Active Watch or Galaxy Buds. End of the day, this is something guys you have to make decision on it. As per me, the both devices are working very well. So let me know in the comments which one you guys will consider foldable device in 2020. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Peace out.